What's new in Ippuni? November new item checklist. Tatagaltier moisturizing gel cream. It provides hydration and soothes the skin. Suitable for who are concerned with redness, sensitive, and breakout. Good old Vita C serum helps combat uneven skin tone, dark spots, fine lines, and dehydration. This anua peach serum helps to brighten dull skin. It contains 70% peach extract and 5% niacinamide. Somebymi anti-blemish cream suitable for those who have post-breakout marks, blemishes, freckles, or dull skin. New toothpaste flavor from Aura 2. Fresh kiwi mint flavor stain clear toothpaste. Contain high cleaning silica to remove stains. Mary and May sensitive soothing gel cream. And Idebenone blackberry intense cream. This soothing gel cream formulated with Houtunia cordate and tea tree. It can improve skin redness after 2 weeks usage. Idebenone cream contain Idebenone blackberry serum. It helps with wrinkles, antioxidant, and deep moisturization. Strange sugar Batty firm sugar. It is beginner-friendly sugar hair remover. Reusable tools are included in the box. Heimish pink clay wash off mask. This moisture clay mask suitable for normal to dry skin. Anua heartleaf clear pad. Helps to remove skin impurities and tighten pores. Formulated with heartleaf extract that helps soothe sensitive skin. Mary and May 8 kinds of serums. Each serum target for different skin concern. Which skincare you would like to try out?